2020 Volkswagen Tiguan 2.0 TSW/Driver's Assist Remainder of Factory Warranty, Factory Maintenance Up to Date, Recent Trade-In, Rear Backup Camera, Bluetooth Hands-Free, Sirius XM, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, USB Port, Rear Park Assist, 17-10 spoke alloy wheels, third row seats, bench, 4-wheel disc brakes, 4-wheel independent suspension, ABS brakes, brake assist, compass, delay off headlights, dual front impact airbags, dual front side impact airbags, electronic stability control, emergency communication system, VW Carnet services. Capabilities require enrollment or subscription. 4-wheel independent suspension, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, illuminated entry, low tire pressure warning, occupant sensing airbag, outside temperature display, overhead airbag, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, roof rack, rails only, speed sensing steering, spoiler, steering wheel mounted audio controls, telescoping steering wheel, tilt steering wheel, traction control, turn signal indicator mirrors. Recent arrival. Clean Carfax. Carfax One owner. 2229 City/Highway. Contact us at in-store at 770-729-4827 or online at www.heritagevolkswagen.com and see how easy it is to buy a vehicle at Heritage Volkswagen.